In this Argos Support video, we will show you how to use the Tower 3L air fryer. Firstly, connect the mains plug into a wall socket. Pull the drawer out of the air fryer and ensure the grill plate is in place. You can now put your food into the drawer. Slide the drawer back into the air fryer and turn the timer dial to the desired cooking time. Next, use the temperature control dial to choose the temperature. The timer will begin counting down the cooking time. During the cooking process, the indicator light may turn off and on. This light will turn on when the heating element is active and switch off again at the desired temperature to maintain the internal temperature. If your air fryer isn't heating, firstly check there is power to the air fryer. Then, remove and reinsert the drawer to check it's closing properly. We recommend checking the contacts on the drawer and air fryer body are clean. Any debris build-up may cause the air fryer to stop working. Finally, check the cooking timer and temperature controls are set correctly. For more help and support, visit argos-support.co.uk.